That's all right. Still fish.
It's not. Hey,
That's
Derek.
big.
Yeah. You got him?
Yeah, yeah. No, he's coming, dude. You're good, Tony. What side you want me on? He's right there. He's almost done. Let me know.
Yeah, go ahead, Lord.
Oh yeah, he's done. That's a nice fish, man. Like about.
This time right here.
Holy shit! That's easy. 12-pounder. Better than that, actually.
Hell
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, pretty.
Can I take photo?
$5.
Oh, it's a king. Is it king?
You gonna say about that, Tone Dog?
Hell yeah.
Nice one, Tony.